Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing coloring tutorials for some of the most popular fan pages and most requested colorings. And these colorings are not made by me, and I will leave the person who it's made by. So I'm very sorry if these people didn't want me to do a tutorial, but please credit them because they've already posted these tutorials. I'm just going to be explaining it and everything. The first one is this one. It's by Decor CR, and this is the one I'm using currently, and I gave credits to them for it. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to go onto B612, and then you are going to click edit, choose your video, click AR filter. You're going to go into the Christmas section, and you're going to kind of scroll all the way. It's going to be a long process because this is how it looks. I'll put it up on the screen, and it's just these little gingerbread Christmas icons on the face. Then you're going to click save. Then you are going to go on to 24 FPS, and you are going to import the video. Then use the honey QR code. It's just the normal honey. Then you are going to go onto the prequel, and I'll put the settings up on the side. Then you're going to save the video to your camera roll. Then you're going to go into ultralight, and I'll again put the settings up on the side. Then you're going to save this video. Then I'm going to go into CapCut, import the video, and add sharpen to 100 just for the quality, and I'm going to do this before adding the text. And then you can save the video from here as well. And that is it for the first coloring. The next one is Honey Foam's coloring. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go onto CapCut. I'm going to import the video without any filter, and I'm going to add sharpen to 100 before we even get started. Next, you're going to go onto 24 FPS, and you are going to add the video with the sharpen and add honey QR code to 100. And then the prequel settings will be up on the side, so you can go ahead and use them. And then you are going to save the video. And that is it for the second coloring. It is a very quick and easy coloring. So here's how mine looks. It doesn't look identical because of the lighting, obviously, but I think it looks pretty similar. Now I'm going to move on to another one of Honey Foam's colorings. So it is their most recent coloring. So for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to go on to 24 FPS and import your video without any sharpen or anything, I'm assuming. At least that's what I've done. And then we're going to use the and I'll put the prequel settings on the side, so you can go ahead and just copy those after you've saved it from 24 FPS. So for prequel, what we're going to do is we're going to click edit, and it is this temperature one, and we're going to go on to -1 on the line, if I can stay on the line, just like that. Then I'm going to go on to saturation, and it's going to be -4 for red and -10 for both of the greens. So this one is going to be, it's going to be 343 degrees by +2, if I can get that. The closest I can get is 345, so we're just going to go with that. And that is it. So then you're going to save this video, and you can save this as a preset so you don't have to do this over and over again. And I hope you guys understood what I meant on the color wheel by 343 degrees by +1. It's kind of hard to explain, but I'll put a picture up. And that is it for the third coloring, I think this was. This next one is another kind of dark cafe type of coloring. So you're going to go on to 24 FPS, import your video, and add the honey QR code. So I tried it and it didn't look exactly like the video because of the coloring, I'm assuming, probably because of the lighting. I don't know why I keep saying coloring, but if yours doesn't look exactly like mine, I don't really know what I can do, so I apologize. Next, we're going to go into Precool, and I will once again put the settings up on the side. Then you're going to go ahead and save the video. Next, we're going to go on to Ultralight, and it is -10 for clarity and +10 for sharpen. And then you're going to go ahead and save this. And now it's time for the last coloring, which is a little different from the previous ones. It is more of like kidcore, not really, but like just not as aesthetic, not cafe type, you know what I mean? So so for this, you're going to go in your photos, and we're going to start with edit, and I'll put the settings or whatever you do on the side, so you can go ahead and just copy those. After you've done that, you're going to go on to B612, then go and select your video that you edited. It should look something like this. So in B612, you're going to go into the beauty section, and you're going to scroll until you find these butterflies. It takes a while, but you're going to have to scroll a lot. Then you're going to click save. And then we're going to go on to Ultralight, and I'll put the settings up on the side. And then you're going to save it from Ultralight. Then you are going to go on to Instagram, and you're going to use the Pixie Dust filter. So give me a second to find it, and then you're going to save this to your camera roll. Then we're going to go on to Ultralight once again, and I will put the settings up on the side this time as well, so you can go ahead and copy them. Then you're going to save this to your camera roll, and there's just one last step. Then you're going to go on to Precool, and I'll put the settings up on the side, so you can go ahead and copy those. And here is how it should look at the end. So these are the 5 colorings we have. This is the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the 5th one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give credit to the right people, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!